Real talk, minsan hindi mo kailangan ng bagong routine. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang fuel para gumana ulit yung body mo. Kaya lately, I've been using this triple magnesium complex by Vitality, and it honestly helped me feel balanced from the inside and out. Totoo, it's not just for sleep, it's a multifunctional supplement na may powerful nutrients to support your muscles, nerves, heart, and immune system. Totoo, alam mo yung feeling na relax ka pero energized pa rin? Yun yung effect niya kasi it helps your body calm down naturally, habang tinutulungan din mag-recover yung muscle and joints after long days. Ang galing pa nito because it makes from a blend of magnesium oxide, citrate, and aspartate, meaning maximum absorption talaga, kaya sulit bawat capsule. Plus, safe siya for daily use. Vegan formula, no harsh side effects, at lab-tested for purity and quality. Hindi siya basta vitamin lang it's more likely daily reset button for your body and mind. May 60 soft gels sa isang bote at pwede kang mag-take ng up to 3 soft gels sa isang araw. Paano ka ba naman makakabili nito? Huwag kang mag-alala dahil nilagay ko to sa aking yellow basket. Basta mag-follow ka muna sa akin, mag-subscribe ka, mag-comment ka, mag-heart ka, ilagay mo na rin ako sa yung favorites at i-share mo na rin. Kaya naman tanong ko sa inyo, anong part ng body niyo ang pinaka nangangailangan ng reset ngayon? Mind, muscles, or energy? I-comment mo nga.